All right, good morning and happy Thursday. Just about done sending out all the announcements. At some point, we're going to need a website for this Natter thing. It feels like it's becoming an application. It's growing up. Our little buddy. And I have neglected my camera duties. Here we go. All right. Ay. It is Thursday. I don't know, in and out yesterday. Just was only so effective yesterday. Last night I was just tired. Work was pretty draining yesterday. Just lots of thinking. Actually, a lot of thinking. Very large, complicated problems. But it's good. It's really good. Okay. This is where we left off. Why did we leave this here? Ah, that's right. So let's review. Message emoticon. When it goes to render an emoticon, it appears to not find the emoticons from Twitch in the external emoticon. Hey, Delvoid. Happy Thursday. And welcome, viewers. Welcome, raiders. 6 viewers. I read the message. Ready to go with a party of 6 viewers. Welcome, everyone. And a Teddy. Good morning. How are you? Oh, let's see. Gonna go ahead and pour some water. I have a good voice. Oh, well, thank you. It's my morning voice. And by the time I get all tense later, yelling at the kids and 1,000 Zoom meetings, it's all gone. It's my drive-through voice. Hi, welcome to Mr. Halsey's channel. What can we get you? Yeah, it'll be like helium. Exactly. Oh, and just wait till I get a cold or something, then it like drops a little bit more. So, but we were just going over what we're working on. We're working on this chat client here. I was talking about needing a website for it. We might do that eventually. But one of the issues that is currently plaguing us, if I am permitted to be so dramatic, is that when we send a message, we can see the message, but not the Twitch emotes. For example, if I say, hello, we see the message. If I say, let's say I use an emote from 7TV, hello, and then we do Ferris, right? Oh, that's not even working. It worked over here, but not over there. Oh, I see. Dun dun dun. Okay. But if we receive a message like that, so if I send it on a different client where we're not having the message echoed, testing from Twitch. Oh, yes. No, that's just completely broken. Oh no. Good morning. Morning, Xenocron. Well, there we go. Everything is just fine and dandy. It's like a regular Thursday. We got broken stuff to fix. I feel like we need some tests or something for this. I wonder how we would test the svelte code. It is consistent. Well, okay. Which one do we look at first? What about the Twitch emotes? Oh, well, that one's trying. That's what they are. Yep. Mostly consistent. Happy Thursday, Delvoid. Owen Codes, hello, hello, hello. And welcome. How it goes? Goes pretty well, I think. Let's take a peek. Let's do a little bit of investigation. Where do we get our messages? Because we're using Tauri, we're using just this event dispatching to be able to communicate from the Rust side to the UI side, the JavaScript side. And in that JavaScript side, we are using TypeScript, we're using Svelte. So there should be a message store here that is listening to these events. When we get a message, we push that message into the channel. But let's inspect that, because the message should be broken down into pieces, right? Code, message, emoticon. I want to see whether or not first is being captured correctly. So where's our message here? Oh, interesting. First was considered text. Okay, that means our parser is not identifying it correctly. So if that's the case, let's go to our parser. Yeah, I have the music selection as instrumental only. This one must be mislabeled. It's kind of chill. Just playing like all the chill tracks. 1,602 chill tracks from Pretzel Rocks. Okay. So in our emotifier, going to be in here somewhere. We're not looking for the Twitch pieces. However, we should be looking for these pieces. And I kind of want to rename this part kind, this external emote, to simply be emote, because I would like to be able to handle Twitch emotes with it as well. Let's rename that. Just be emote. Okay. So in this case, we're checking this extras data structure to see whether or not it has a text in it. Go ahead and rename a couple more of these. The challenge is either that the emotes don't exist in this data structure, which is very possible, or they're slightly misaligned. Maybe we're using some identifier in one place as a string and text in another. How do we test that? How do we look into that? I think we have tests for this. So I believe this piece is working. We have tests down here. Kappa. I think we even have tests for Twitch emotes eventually in here. I believe this to be working. Cargo test. Let's go into the right directory. Thing passed. It's useful. It's useful information. That means that we're likely not feeding the data into the structure correctly. So where does that happen? It's going to be where we create an extras. Function here. We could inspect these here. What is this data structure? It's a dash map of the emoticon text to this other type. This should all be tested already. Here we have our external emotes, which I will continue to just rename. Let's debug this and see what it is. Oh, why did I do that? I think we were just... Let's debug emotes. Oh, it doesn't implement debug. Oh, that's why we have the black box bit. Eventually, we will have error handling here. I wonder if we have a race condition. Or we join a channel, get the emotes, but we're not listening for the emotes soon enough. Alright, let's do another message. Test. Looks like we have a whole bunch of emotes in here. Some of these appear to be maybe incorrect. Like, why would this one be a channel user emote? These are global. That's good. Oh, and thank you for the follows. The real Rumpo and RJ. RJ. You configure the terminal here. I want more. Is it in settings? How many lines? Persistent session scroll back. Right, it says that it needs a reload. Let's reload. Oh, it still didn't go back as far as I wanted it to. Okay. Capitan. We're going to leave these extra channels. Going to debug this again. Now we shouldn't have as many emoticons in that data structure, but there should still be quite a few. We could also change the way that the debug works on that.